Is Thursday, January 7th. We're going to solve systems. And today it's elimination method. Remember, our goal every time we do this is to find an ordered pair that works for both equations. That hasn't changed. We're still trying to find that spot on the graph where the two lines would intersect. What does it mean to eliminate something?
Take it away.
Get rid of it, take it away, it's gone, right? That's isolate. If I want something by itself, I'm going to isolate it. But to eliminate means it's just gone, right? So we're going to be using a strategy where we completely eliminate a variable. So we have only one to solve for. And then we substitute again. So it sounds way more complicated, I promise, than it really is. So for this first example, I'm going to have you copy this system. And then put your pencils down. We're going to look, listen, learn, because it's kind of hard to process all of this if you're looking up, looking down, listening, writing, all that. So we're just going to, everybody's going to watch for a second, and then I'll let you copy. Pencils down. Check on your neighbors. Are their pencils down?
Everybody put their hands.
Is everyone ready to make?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
We all.
You can do it, Daniel. Not even Giancarlo. We believe in you.
Well, I'm not done, but I just listened to the teacher.
Oh, well, thank you, Giancarlo. Okay, so we're going to, I'm going to draw a line. You're not going to yet. As if I have like an addition or subtraction problem. Notice that the x's are lined up, the y's are lined up, and our constants are lined up. Everybody see that? So I'm going to combine the terms. So if I combine 3x and 3x, how many x's?
6.
If I combine 1y and negative 1y, how many y's?
0.
They're gone. They're eliminated. And then 6 and 0 gives me 6.
Oh my goodness. So smart. Oh
X
no.
equals 1.
I like that.
Right?
It's just like simple addition, but
I mean, there is a couple examples where you have to actually force it into eliminating but it's not terrible.
Okay.
So then the substitution part is I'm going to take this x equals 1,
This is a lot easier.
pick an equation to put it into, and I'll get my y value. Right? So if I do 3x plus y equals 6, and I put 1 in for x,
No matter which equation you put in.
sure does not. You can pick which one. Remember, this is kind of a choose your own adventure where you might not do the same exact thing I do, but we're all going to get this solution of 1, 3. Ta-da! Look, we'll even write ta-da. Exciting. So this is elimination method. Again, you're going to have favorite methods. Everybody has their favorite. You have to show me you can do all 3, but then you can use whichever one you like on the majority of the quiz.
There's 3.
Yeah, there's the graphing,
Oh,
the
the
last
last one.
one.
Okay, so go ahead and copy down this next system. We have x minus 2y equals negative 7. 2y equals 5. So at first glance, you're probably thinking, I don't know, maybe I have to do something with the x's. Why can't we do anything with the x variable?
Because they don't have it.
Well, it's okay if they have numbers, but I mean, why can't we eliminate the x's?
Because they're both positive.
They're both positive, right? So you have to pay really close attention to those positive and negative symbols. So when I look at this, I'm going to combine the x's. So how many x's do I have? I have 2x. My y's are actually gone, and I get negative 2. So I get x equals negative 1. And then I'm going to put that back into one of the equations. I'm just going to choose the second one because it has plus 2 instead of minus 2. I don't know. That just seems easier to me. Did you get the same answer, Daniel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, this is the best method.
All right, you guys ready to
I mean, all of them.
step it up a little?
It can't be that easy because if the orders are different.
Yeah.
Different numbers and like two.
Like the first two on Tuesday were really easy, and then it got harder, and then this one.
It's not. You guys are gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine because you know your math facts, right?
Sure.
As long as you know your math facts, like your
Say that.
right, you know your multiplication tables.
But if you're in this class,
If you know your multiplication tables, then you're
I
fine.
don't know the exact. Well, just say I know how to do
Yeah.
Okay, you'll figure it out. All right. Example 3 on the next page,
I'm still different.
or you can maybe are on the same one. You guys know I like to space things out. So we have 2x plus y equals 7, x plus 5y equals 17.
I don't like
You're gonna be fine, I promise.
It's fine.
You gotta trust. I'm not gonna let you guys struggle too bad.
really don't.
You're gonna be fine.
I don't know.
Okay, so right away this one's different because
The positive and negative.
there's no obvious thing to eliminate, right? We can't automatically get rid of the x's or automatically get rid of the y's. So we have to decide what can we multiply one of the equations by to force a variable to be eliminated. Okay, so if you look up here for 1 second, so put your pencils down again. I could multiply this top equation by negative 5, right? And then my y's would cancel. But I have to multiply everything by that negative 5. Or I could multiply the bottom equation by negative 2, and that would make my x's cancel. And then I would just have the y's left. I don't care which way you do it. You just have to pick one, solve for that variable, and then substitute back in to find the other variable. Okay? So I'll show you which one I would choose. And then you guys can choose your own adventure. Right? Do you guys remember those books? Choose Your Own Adventure?
Yes.
Where it's like, go to this page, go to that page,
Yes.
and it changed the story.
Yeah,
I've read like 3 of those.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
One of those books is if you accidentally flip to the wrong page, you get thrown off the story.
Yeah, so there's no room for error in that.
It is fun.
Okay, so take a look up here. I'm going to multiply this entire equation by negative 2. So my first equation stays the same. My second equation is going to be negative 2x minus 10y equals negative 34.
Why'd you
Oh, I
multiply
see.
by
Wait,
negative
it's
two?
Because that forced this into a negative 2x, so now I can get rid of my x's. If I had decided to multiply the top equation by negative 5, then everything would have forced my y's out, right? So this is where you guys have a little freedom here. So now my x's are gone, and I have negative 9y equals negative 27. Oh, yeah, it is y equals 3. Thank you. And if you did the other way, you would have x equals 2 if you had multiplied by 5. So we're going to go ahead and substitute this 3. Pick an equation. It doesn't matter which one. Oh, man. Did it again.
Oh, they're the same equations, but you just need to find y for one and x for the other.
Yep. Ready for one on a solo?
No.
You're going to do great. You're going to do great. Okay, last example, and then I'm going to give you guys time to start on your assignment for tomorrow. 8x minus 5y equals 11. 4x minus 3y equals 5.
How would you do it if like the y was before the x? Would you have to like switch it?
You'd have to rearrange it. Yep. Great question. And you have to keep the symbol with it, but you would just rearrange it so that the x's and y's lined up. Get a phone call, Giancarlo?
Scam.
Yeah.
I want my ringtone to go up.
Around a check.
Okay. I don't know. I've got a fraction.
Not a fraction.
I didn't get a fraction.
I rolled a fraction.
No, because I didn't do
Everything has to be multiplied by 2.
Oh, I did the. I don't know. I did the.
I don't know, that doesn't know.
I don't think I got it right. Yeah, I got a whole number answer, so I'm gonna say that that's what. Okay.
No, you have to cancel it now.
You don't have x anymore, I think you just solved it without x.
11 minus 50. Are you asking me to do the problem?
Yeah. 16. Not 8.
11 minus. 11.
Oh, okay.
So that's going to be 11 minus 10 will give you 1.
I'm so smart.
Why
I'm so smart.
Oh, you have to subtract it.
You gotta add it. Why don't you add it? It's a negative.
Now
Alright, I got it.
Geometry random.
I accidentally multiplied.
It's not 6.
It's not 6.
It's not 6.
Neither of them are 6. Neither of the
Neither
are
of them
6.
is 6. I know, but 6 by.
That's fair.
Yeah, there's a 6 by, then that becomes a 1.
Why do you use 1? Okay, 6. What do you get?
Supposed to be order here. No, that's just
We're all still learning.
I got 2.
You got it right. You need one that has like 2 smileys. How'd you do? Good?
I
Now you gotta find that. You gotta put that 1 back in there and find the X value.
This is a lot easier.
Like it? Okay, good. Go ahead.
Yes. Why are you
Okay.
doing 11 minus
I'm not done.
Let's take a look at the answer.
The 6 plus 2 should be.
Okay. The most common mistake made is that when you are distributing, people always forget this number. So they get a weird fraction because they forget to multiply the -2 times the 5 as well. Okay.
I forgot to make it like negative.
Oh,
So
that's
that
hard.
would if I made it 8 and 8, I decide for less.
Right. So that's cancel out entirely.
I multiplied it by 2, and when I just didn't make it negative.
Yeah, that's fine.
Rookie mistake, Daniel. Rookie mistake. Okay, so guys, say bye to our at-home viewers.
Bye. Subscribe.